This is Dr. Sarah Bowman from Day of the Dead. She is holding Captain Rhodes's rifle.
And you put it in a trailer park, you'd have that payment and the trailer park payment, right?
Yeah.
There'd be two payments in a month, each month.
Is it just me or do Christmas trees just get bigger every year? Have you considered maybe you're shrinking? No, really. I mean, don't you feel like Christmas just gets bigger every year? Okay, I sense a tirade and which I'm here for it. Bigger in what way? Just longer. You know, more ornate, more complex. Give me an example. Take Christmas flavors. Okay, so first it was peppermint, then it was peppermint mocha. Yeah. Now it's peppermint mocha cream cookie. You love peppermint mocha cream cookie. I know, I'm not complaining. I'm just asking if you ever noticed. I'll tell you what I've noticed. Christmas has never been more romantic. What do you mean? Every Christmas card I've gotten is a wedding announcement or a baby announcement. My street is a thoroughfare of mistletoe. Even the cocoa's covered. The coffee shop by my house is the sign insisting that cocoa is perfect for two. Yeah, I get it. I mean, it's not just you, I see it too. We're just at the age where everyone's getting married. Wait, so Christmas is just supposed to be for couples and romance? Christmas is for everyone, including singles, and including you. Then why does it teach people to carry Christmas trees?
Hey, take the back your thing. Yeah, really.
Accessible only by private gondola. And the Olympic skiing sector is reserved along with the employee ski caviar service you want. The gold standard of Aspen ski trips. Nothing. Yeah. Thanksgiving and bright rain. Where do you live? Why I seem so uninterested in getting back about
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.